Polite power, mastering requests with please and kindly. Hello, English language learners. Today, we are going to dive into the wonderful world of politeness, focusing on how we can make our requests more refined and respectful. This video is part of our series on conversational English, under the topic, Making Requests and Offers. Specifically, we'll be practicing polite requests with please and kindly. Remember, being polite can open doors for you, both literally and metaphorically. To start, let's understand please and kindly. These are two important words that add politeness to our requests. They show respect and consideration to the person we are talking to. Please is often placed at the end of the request, such as, "Can you help me with this, please?" Kindly is used at the beginning and makes the request sound more formal. For instance, "Kindly help me with this." Remember, both words serve the same purpose, but kindly tends to be more formal. Now, let's engage in some listening activities. I'll say a sentence, and you will need to determine if it's a polite request or not. Sentence 1, pass me the salt. Sentence 2, kindly pass me the salt. Sentence 3, can you pass me the salt, please? In sentence 1, we did not use please or kindly. Hence it's not a polite request. Both sentence 2 and 3 are polite requests, as they utilize kindly and please, respectively. For the speaking activities, I'll give you a situation and you'll make a polite request based on that situation. Situation 1, you need someone to lend you a pen. Situation 2, you need someone to open the window. Situation 3, you need someone to send you the meeting notes. Try to use both please and kindly in your requests, like, kindly lend me your pen, please. Don't be shy to pause the video and practice these aloud. That's it for today's lesson. Remember, using please and kindly can make your requests more polite and respectful. So, keep practicing and try to incorporate these words into your everyday English conversation. I hope this video has been helpful, and I can't wait to see you in our next lesson. Keep learning and keep shining.